Our ship sailing into the beautiful St. John's Harbor through the Narrows, which is the only passage from the Atlantic Ocean. The Fort Amherst Lighthouse, now a heritage site, was erected at South Head, at the entrance to the Narrows. Preview of this colorful city. Hello everyone, we are now docked at St. John's Harbor, Newfoundland, Canada. 360-degree view of the city from our ship. Here is an overview of the surroundings from our cruise ship. View of the city. If you walk up the slope, you will see an abundance of historic sites such as the Supreme Court Building, the Basilica Cathedral of St. John's, museums such as the Rooms, which is the province's largest public cultural space and home to an extensive collection of artifacts, art, and archival records. Getting off the ship and getting to town is very easy. As you can see, it is a short distance to the main streets from the ship. We are getting off the ship. A large map of the city. There is also a visitor information center at Water Street, which opens from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Time to explore a new city we have never been to. This prominent building is the Supreme Court Building of Newfoundland and Labrador, located on Water Street and Duckworth Street. A brief history about the Supreme Court Building. It was constructed in 1901 to 1904. The building was designated as a National Historic Site of Canada in 1981. The first building on the site opened in September 1730 as a combined courthouse and jail. A larger facility that was constructed in 1831 was burned down in 1846. A third courthouse was constructed starting in 1847, but it was destroyed by the Great Fire of 1892. Temporary courthouses were built from 1892 to 1894 until the current building was ready in 1904. On my left is the Anglican Cathedral of St. John the Baptist. Sergeant's Memorial. Gower Street United Church in front of us. Benevolent Irish Society building, which was constructed between 1877 and 1880. It was started in 1806 by Irish immigrants who wanted to support each other in Newfoundland. It is the oldest philanthropic organization in North America. This imposing architecture we are looking at is the largest neoclassical Roman Catholic cathedral built by the international Irish diaspora in the 19th century. It is the largest cathedral church in Canada. It began as the dream of Bishop Michael Fleming, who became bishop in 1829. He inherited a chapel holding of 300 but needed to seat 10,000. Fleming made 5 round trips to England to obtain the land, after which the church took 14 years to build. The sermon at the opening in 1855 was preached by Archbishop John Hughes of New York, who returned home inspired to build St. Patrick's Cathedral. The cathedral boasts exceptional stained glass windows by the English and French artists and survived the Great Fire of St. John's in 1892. The basilica holds the best collection of neoclassical statuary in the Western Hemisphere. Colorful row of houses along the street. Morgan MacDonald is the artist behind the Time statue on George Street. It celebrates some of the province's best-known artists. We decided to do lunch at one of the pub-cum-restaurant. It was crowded on the lower floor, so we decided to go upstairs. Before we got our meal. We had a good meal of fish and chips, cod tongue and mussels and wine. Walking the streets after a good lunch. Water Street is located in downtown St. John's. You will find souvenir shops, restaurants, pubs, high-end boutiques, as well as other commercial businesses as you walk along. Besides being a touristy place, it is also the hub of commercial activity in the city. The Downtown Pedestrian Mall was implemented in 2021 as a way to bring foot traffic into the city's downtown and to give businesses some added attention during the pandemic. It was such a hit that it became an annual event. There is a variety of free performances and events taking place throughout the summer. The event usually runs from June to September. From noon until 10 p.m. daily, Water Street from Adelaide Street to Prescott Street is closed to vehicles. Visitors can take in the festivities and enjoy the energy and people-friendly vibe. Restaurants and bars can create outdoor patios, and other businesses can also expand into the street. Nice weather to enjoy al fresco dining. St. John's is a city that loves color. Besides their famous jelly bean houses, we also enjoy their brightly painted tables, chairs, and benches. Even their trash cans are painted an eye-catching green.
Sure you get here through Pioneer. Tried every place in Hammer Grace, tried every store and shop. But I find there's something more than you're a drink or two or half. Oh me, oh my, well I heard the old cry. Oh me, oh my.
Back to our cruise ship, getting ready for the sail away. Friendly locals and tourists sending us off. Picturesque place is definitely worth a visit. We had a wonderful day in St. John's. We'll miss the beautiful scenery of St. John's and its friendly people. Thank you for watching, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our video.